mtu wa kutuambia sisi. Tunamwambia akwende kabisa. Na wewe akili yako ni chini sana. And I am ready to engage him. I challenge the former deputy president. I will challenge you to a contest. Let us meet at Jeff Koinange's bench. I will challenge you to kutana kiwanjani. Your Excellency, mambo ya Northeastern wachia mimi Riggy. And as a minister, simuko sawa sawa. Situkuja hapa Galata primary. I am ready. Semeni wangapi? You want me to challenge Riggy? Hapana. My friend, you have no legal standing. You have no moral authority to lecture us. Offici, Mr. Matiangi, you are the one who closed the only passport office in Garissa. You are the one who made all our children mass failures of 2018, 2019. Si mnajua watoto wetu waliangushwa?